Alright, so the car is still having some problems starting, and so I decided to diagnose the spark plug wires. I was just, checking all of them to make sure that they had the right resistance with the ohm meter. I got around to the coil wire here itself, and wouldn't you know, I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, the ohm meter is just reading 1, despite the fact, it's going to be kind of hard to see, both ends are plugged into the ohm meter. Now, it should be reading anywhere from 1200 to 2800. That's the normal range. But as you can see, it is not registering any resistance at all, which means that this coil wire is broken. Also, a new clutch kit came in the mail today, which, as you can see, according to the box here, includes the pressure plate, clutch disc release bearing, pilot bushing, and an alignment tool. But I'm sure, as any of you savvy with automotive stuff know, that changing a clutch is not quite such a simple job. For example, for me to do it here, I'm going to need at least 2 more jack stands, and I would have to rent an engine hoist and a transmission jack to properly change this. This clutch job will be put off for a while. It will eventually get done, though.